HDR, which stands for High Dynamic Range, is one of the brand new features on the new GoPro Hero 12 Black. HDR combines footage of different exposures and blends it together to create footage with greater contrast between the shadows and the highlights. It also makes the footage look a lot more visually appealing as well. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use HDR on your GoPro Hero to make your GoPro videos look even better than they already are. So from the video screen, all you need to do is tap on the icon or tap on the oblong down the bottom here, like so. Now over here on the top right hand corner, you're going to see this new icon they've been using with this year's version of GoPro. Looks like three little waves. We're just going to tap on that one. That's going to bring up the video settings screen. And as you can see, by default, it's set to standard and 16:9 for its aspect ratio. All you need to do is slide across or press the button over here where it says HDR. And that's now changed it into HDR settings or high dynamic range settings for when you are filming with your GoPro Hero 12. Of course, you can scroll down the menu here as well and you can make some other changes if you wish. So I've currently got it set to 4K and 30 frames per second with a linear horizon lock lens on. Okay, so when you're happy with that, all you need to do is tap over here to take yourself out to the main menu and then you are good to go. You can also change the video settings to HDR using the shortcuts on the rear screen of your GoPro Hero. So if you look down here in the bottom right hand corner, we can see the same icon we saw earlier. So if we just tap on this one here, it's going to bring us up to our video settings screen. And we have standard over to the left and over here to the right we have HDR. So if we tap on that, that is now going to switch us straight into HDR settings. And if you want to, you can just press the record button on the top and straight away you are recording on your GoPro Hero 12 with the HDR settings. You can also change the settings to HDR using the GoPro Quik App. So from the home screen, you want to connect with your GoPro, and once you've done that, you want to connect with your GoPro. And once this screen appears, you just need to tap on the video oblong down the bottom and then see where the pencil is. We're going to tap on that one. And then here you can see that the first setting, video profile, is currently set to HDR, but you can tap on that and you can toggle in between standard or HDR. And of course, you can also use the GoPro Quik App as an awesome remote for filming in HDR or in standard settings. And to learn more about that, click on the link at the top of the video right now. HDR is just one of the many awesome new features on the GoPro Hero 12. To learn more about this awesome camera and what it can do for you, you want to click on this video over here right now. As usual, thanks for your company and I'll see you in the next video.